Hello and welcome. I'm so glad you could join me. Before we get into today's topic, if you find this helpful, please go ahead and hit that like, comment, and subscribe button. It really helps the channel out a ton. Thanks so much. So, today we're tackling something really important for anyone learning English. We're talking all about the months and the seasons. You're going to use these words all the time, so let's get you started on the right foot. Okay, our mission today is simple. Learn the months and the seasons. I'm going to say each word, and I want you to say it back. It's the best way to practice. You ready? Let's do this. First things first, let's talk about the seasons. You see, in most places, the year is split into 4 different parts, and each one has its own special feel. That's the magic number. 4. There are 4 seasons in a year. Let's say that out loud together. 4 seasons. Great. Our first season is winter. Listen closely. Winter. Now it's your turn. Say it with me. Winter. So, what is winter all about? Well, it's the cold season. Brrr! And in a lot of places, it's when we see snow. So, quick question. Is winter hot? No way. Winter is cold. You got it? After all that cold, things start to warm up with our second season, spring. Let's give that a try. Say spring. Ah, spring. It's such a beautiful time of year. It's when all the flowers start to pop up and the weather gets nice and warm again. And number 3 is summer. Say it after me. Summer. Now, let's try a whole sentence together. Say, I like summer. Fantastic. And what's summer like? Well, it is the hot season. I mean, it can get really hot. It's the perfect time to go to the beach and jump in the ocean. Okay, our last season is a special one because it actually has 2 names. You can call it autumn or you can call it fall. People use both, so it's good to know them. Let's practice. First, autumn. Now, fall. In autumn or fall, you'll see the leaves on the trees turn these amazing colors, and then they fall down. That's why we call it fall. The weather isn't hot, but it's not quite cold yet. It's just cool. So let's recap our 4 seasons one more time. Winter, spring, summer, and autumn. Awesome job! Now that we know the seasons, let's learn the 12 months of the year. We're going to break it down and start with just the first 6. So we kick off the year in winter. The very first month is January. Let's try it. January. Next up is month number 2, February. Your turn. February. Then comes March, which is when winter starts saying goodbye and spring starts saying hello. Let's say it. March. Moving right into the spring months, number 4 is April. You try it. April. April is known for being a little rainy sometimes. After that, we have month number 5, May. Let's say May. May is when you see so many beautiful flowers. And month number 6 is June. Go ahead, June. June is right on the edge of spring and summer. Okay, let's take a breath and review those first 6 months together. Look at this handy table and say them with me. January, February, March, April, May, June. Nicely done. So, a quick question for you. Which month is number 3? You got it. It's March. You're doing an amazing job. We're already halfway through the year. Let's keep that momentum going and learn the second half, from month 7 all the way to 12. We're starting off in the middle of a hot summer. Month number 7 is July. Say it, July. Number 8 is August. Repeat after me. August. Phew! These two are usually the hottest months of the whole year. Then we have number 9, September, when summer starts to cool down into autumn. Let's try this sentence. I go to the beach in July and in August. Your turn. And here we are, the last 3 months of the year. Number 10 is October, that classic autumn month with all the orange leaves. Let's say October. Then comes November, which gets a bit colder because winter is just around the corner. Repeat, November. And finally, number 12, the very last month of the year is December. Say it loud, December. Incredible work. Let's review this final group together. You ready? July, August, September, October, November, December. Perfect. Okay, last question. Which month is number 12? The very last one. December. You nailed it. So, you know all the names now, which is just fantastic. But how do you actually use them in a sentence? Let's learn a really simple trick to get it right every time. This part is super helpful. Okay, here's the secret. It's one little word. When we talk about months and seasons, we use the word in. That's it. In winter. In July. It works for every single month and every single season. See? I told you it was easy. Let's practice with a sentence that's really important for you to know. For example, I could say, my birthday is in October. Now, what about you? Take a second and think, what month is your birthday in? So let me just ask you, when is your birthday? Try to answer out loud. Just say, my birthday is in, and add your month. Go on, give it a shot right now. That's a great sentence to have ready. Okay, it's time for one last big review to make sure it all sticks. Let's say all 12 months of the year in order. Nice and slow. Just follow along with me. Here we go. January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, and December. And that's a wrap. You learned so much today. Let's just go over the big 3 ideas. 1, there are 4 seasons. 2, there are 12 months. And 3, we use that magic little word in when we talk about them. You did an absolutely fantastic job today. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and leave a comment to support the channel.